Hey folks, so just a quick impromptu video showing you how I am using Ray's compost tea. Check it out. So I just got some new trees planted recently. I have two 5-gallon buckets. What I like to do is use my well water for my irrigation system. I fill up both buckets. I use an air stone to put it in just a bucket of water. Let that go for 24 hours. When it's done aerating, I add 1 cup. It's 150 grams of Ray's compost. Now, for those of you that know my friend Ray Browning, he has a great little shop of seeds that he sells seeds, and he did sell compost. So once he is selling compost again, it's a great way to feed plants. All I'm doing is I'm taking this aerated water and I added 150 grams or 1 cup to a 5-gallon bucket. I stirred it up really good, kind of use a little stick to gently pound the crumbs on the bottom. Stir it up really well. And then this will steep for, 1, 2, however many days. And I'll use this bucket to feed my trees. So maybe I'll do like a gallon or 2 gallons, gallon and a half, whatever, to each plant. When I start to get my seedlings sprouted, I'll also use this to feed the young seedlings. Again, Ray makes some really high quality compost from his chicken litter. Again, it's all kinds of scraps from the coop, all kinds of great compost. Watch his videos if you guys haven't seen Ray's videos yet. It's some great stuff. But what I appreciate is he dehydrates it, puts it in a bag, ships it to you. So basically it's just needs water. So stay tuned, and hopefully I'll have some plants here to show you guys in the future with how well they're doing. Not a lot of floaters. Again, one bag that I got, it was about 1,700 grams. I don't know what that calculates to in ounces and pounds. I didn't do the math yet. But that's all there is to it. 1 bucket of aerated water, 1 bucket of steep compost tea. I'll kind of keep this cycle going until I run out of the compost, and I can start using my own compost to do the same method. So I just thought I would share that for anybody out there that previously purchased Ray's compost or is looking out to purchase Ray's compost in the future. This is great stuff. I know there's magic in it, and I'm looking forward to seeing how well it does with my bare root trees that I just planted. Just a quick look at my trees. Here I have a red maple. Again, I got this from arborday.org, Arbor Day Foundation. This was actually a free tree that came with my purchase. So I got a nice layer of mulch, helps keep the moisture in. I'm in Southwest Florida, so it gets really hot here. We have not yet entered a rainy season. So this is one red maple. Here I have a sourwood tree. This is a very young sourwood. Again, it's a bare root. Sourwood here in my region is really difficult to grow, so I really don't know if it's gonna live or survive. Same method, lots of mulch. That's one sourwood, and over here is the other sourwood. So I've been so dang busy, I haven't really had the time yet to take care of my back 40. It's kind of going feral. This is my brown turkey fig. It is putting out new growth tips, but I have to clean out all of the weeds here, and that's what we got. On the other side of the fence is my bee yard. So Florida, and I'm really behind on my gardening. I got 2 in over my head of trying to rescue these crazy bees, but I really do want to get some gardening going. I want to grow some basil for my pesto and some mint, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can have some gardening videos for you guys coming out in the future, so stay tuned.